Just to give an example, when we started, say about 15 years before, we were getting almost about 20 tons production per employee per year. And today, our productivity of per person per year has grown to almost about 70 tons per person per year. And we are targeting within next three years' time to improve this productivity to 100 tons per person per year. That way we are able to reduce our cost, unit cost, or the cost per kg or per ton, in spite of the increase in the other costs like the employees cost, power cost, and other things. So that way we are able to retain the profitability, and with this improvement in productivity, coming out with the new products where definitely we get better margins, we are able to maintain our profitability in spite of the ever increasing competition from the market.
What is your message for shareholders?
Plaster Blends is a company which has been continuously and almost uniformly growing, as I said, at a rate of about 20 to 25% CAGR, and this growth will definitely continue for many more years to come. So it's a steady company with a steady growth in profitability. At the same time, suddenly the prices of the shares are not going to suddenly increase, because we only believe in improving the profitability of the company rather than trying to increase or jack the prices of the shares in the market. So for the shareholders, my message is there that if you believe in this company, your investment should be on the long-term basis. Short-term, the gains may be very limited, but the long-term, definitely, the gains are going to be substantial and steady. So this should be considered as a long-term investment company by the shareholders.